I Ved Prakash, Principal AV Vidya Mandir, Tatiana, Chika. Welcome to our IC members, Mrs. Sunita Gupta, Principal Air Force Public School, New Delhi, and Mr. Pawan Sood, Principal Har Gobind Senior Secondary Public School, Sidwan, Khurd, Ludhiana. Today we are here for virtual inspection for upgradation of our school from secondary to senior secondary level. That's well. Get. Madam Shivani, please introduce.
Good morning everyone, I am Shivani. Kindly welcome in our Temple of Learning. Kindly come on that side. Let's focus on the boundary wall of the school. And also the parking area. All the vans are standing in a proper sequence manner.
नज़दीक आकर तभी सुनाई देगा. फोकस करो इस पे.
Focus on the boundary wall and parking area. Vans are properly stand in a proper manner. Now we are moved to the outdoor games area. It is a basketball court. Mr. Kaptan is our PTI. This court is witness of the various matches. Let's move to the volleyball court. Badminton court.
बस एक बार दिखाया चल रही है. बस घबरा नहीं.
Court, single and double boys, girls.
Now we move to the skating area. Where all the students maintain the balance of moving wheels. Now let's move to our green area. Let's move to the green area. This is a volleyball court. And also focus on the boundary walls.
Moving towards Coco.
Now move to the Coco court. Green Park is also known as the Adventure Park for the little avians. They are enjoying in the swings and refresh and would boost our energy. These are the swings. And also focus on the boundary wall.
Hockey court.
And this is also known as a hockey court. move to the stage. We are assembled in the morning for morning prayer. Pray to the God and start the day with positive energy. And we organize the various events and activities on the stage.
Moving towards
Now we are moving towards
administrative.
administrative ward.
No.
Now we are moving administrative block. These are the very attractive sceneries for welcoming the student. They see and refresh their moods with the smiles. Now welcoming in the administrative block. Now this is our reception area. All the queries are very nicely deal with the receptionist. Now move to the principal office. This is our principal office. Mr. Venkat is our principal. The room is with attached washroom. Let's move in the account office. All the documents are kept in a proper manner in the account office. There is a huge space in reception area, and this is a waiting area for the parents. Now move towards the clerical room. Move in the clerical room. All important documents are kept in this room.
Nice. Demanding way, huh? Sufficient.
Now move to the wellness room. Every medical facility provides to the student if there any illness, and also attached with washroom facility. There are 2 beds in the wellness room. Now let's move to the male's washroom. It's staff washroom. This one for female washroom. For staff or any visitor. Female washroom. Now move to our study wing. Welcome in the school area. This is a staff room, female staff room. This is a soft board which is beautifully maintained by the teachers with the help of students. This one for male staff room. Focus on the vision of the school. Focus on the vision. Now welcome in the computer lab. There are 21 computers and 2 scanners in this lab. Stock register is also free maintained. Computers and 2 printers. Stock register is also pre-maintained. Show the stock register. Oh. Let's move to the soft boards. These are the various 4 houses. Courage House. It's very beautifully maintained with COVID-19. And next one is Endurance House, which is beautifully maintained by the teachers with the help of students. And we also see the safety of the students. Fire extinguisher. Now let's move to the Honor House. This is class 8th room. It's Honor House, softball. Now let's move to chemistry lab. Let's move to chemistry lab. The lab is properly under CCTV. Miss Kavita is our chemistry teacher.
Lecturer in chemistry, PGT chemistry.
TGT chemistry. Miss Kavita is our TGT chemistry teacher. Ma'am, please explain.
This is our flask, conical flask, which we are used to different types to make compounds and to make mixtures. This is china dish, which we are used to mix any compound or heat up any compound. This is our test tube holders. To perform any experiment or qualitative analysis, we are using different type of test tubes. This is wash tub, which we are used to clean up the different beakers. This is water bath. For highly reactive compounds to make, we are using this so that we can give the constant heat. This is wire gas. This is burner. This is tripod stand, so that we give the constant heat of any compound. This is properly working taps. This is burette stands. This is pipette 10 milliliter, which is working at 27 degrees Celsius. According to temperature, the solution, the level of the burette will be different. This is burette for titration. We are using this flask, and burette for potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate solutions. And these tabs are properly working, and burners are also properly working. And this is a chart for chemical bond. We have different types of bonds, but chemical and ionic bonds, metallic bonds, hydrogen bonds. And let me come on our periodic table. This is the base of our chemistry. Without this, we cannot we cannot do anything in chemistry. These vertical columns are known as groups, and the horizontal columns are known as feeders. In these metals, non-metals, and these are metalloids, which are represented here. And these are our chemicals and salts. Whenever the need of these students, and whenever we perform the experiments, different types of salts and chemicals we are using from here. Here fire extinguisher is also here, and sand is also here. And these are pH meter scales, and these are our own hot air dryers, which we are used to heat up or to clean or to dry the test tubes and whatever the instruments which we are using in the lab. And this is stock register, which is properly maintained. All the chemicals and the instruments which are used in our lab is present here.
Our music room. It is our music room. All musical instruments are there, like guitar, piano, tabla, drum. Mission. Kindly focus on the mission of the school. Now let's come to the boys' washroom. which is separate from the girls' washroom. There are 4 urinals. Now let's move to the drinking water area for boys, which is separated for the girls' drinking water area. Now we are moving floor. For new upgradation classes,
This one marks.
plus one arts room. There are the new rooms for the upgradation classes. Plus one commerce. Plus one science. Are for class plus 2, arts, commerce and science. And there are the 3 fire pipes. Kindly focus.
Fire systems.
Fire systems are there. 3 fire systems. Ms. Shivani is a physics lecturer. Please explain.
This is our meter bridge experiment in which we will find out the specific resistance of the wire, which will read a battery, a connecting wires, a galvanometer, a meter and a key. These are the resistance spokes which we will use for the varying the resistance in the circuit to control the current in the circuit. These are the apparatus which we will use for meter bridge. Here is experiment for transistor. It is of 2 type PNP and NP transistor. In this experiment we will find out the common emitter characteristics of a transistor. Here we have done the connections. We will here use NPN transistor for finding out the characteristics of common emitter. Here is another apparatus for meter bridge experiment which we have already discussed. Here we have a galvanometer and a meter. A meter which is used for finding out the current in a circuit, and galvanometer is also used for finding out the current in a circuit, but the difference between this is used only for measuring the magnitude in the circuit, and this is used for magnitude and direction for both the circuit. And here is experiment for transistor again, but here we will find out the characteristics by using common base. Here with the base between the transistor will remain common, and we will have 3 terminals: collector, base and emitter. And moving to the Ohm's law. This is the experiment for
for Ohm's law. Here we will find out the how voltage vary with current. As we know Ohm's law, what we say Ohm's law, voltage is directly proportional to current. We have connected a battery for the input signal, and we will vary the current or vary the voltage with the help of rheostat. Rheostat is what it will change the voltage with the help of rheostat which have inbuilt in it. Now this is another apparatus for Ohm's law, and here is the apparatus for PN junction diode. As we know what is PN junction diode, in which we have connected P semiconductor and N semiconductor by sandwiching them. Here we have experiment for resistance in series and parallel. Here we have connected resistance in series, and here we will connect resistance in parallel. What do you mean by resistance in series and parallel? In series resistance, the voltage through each resistance will vary and current will remain same, and through parallel resistance, in this voltage through each resistance will remain same and current will vary. This is a chart for the magnetism. It is showing how the magnetic field lines go through outside the magnetic field, how they will flow from north to south direction. And this is a diagram for our eye and its defects. How do children get specs, or how which type of defects they get, or inner picture of our eye. In this we have reflection of light through lenses. We have two types of lenses, as we know, convex lens and concave lens. Here we have shown the ray diagram, how the convex lens perform and concave lens perform when a light falls on them. Here is the stroke resistor.
For maths lab, to our bio lab. And stroke register is also maintained from 9th and 10th for class 9. This is a 10th classroom. Room. These all area is covered with the senior wing, class 9 to class plus 2. Focus on the beautiful view of the building. Now moving downwards to our junior wing. This is a girls' washroom. This is a girls' washroom separated from boys' washroom. Now let's move to our class 7. Class 7.
Well, today I'm going to teach about letter writing. So our topic for the day is letter writing.
He is busy
As
in
you
our
all know,
online
that letters,
classes.
they are of two types. The first one is formal and the second one is
prepare for
informal.
lecture.
So the formal letters, they are written to
And smartboard is also available.
Especially-
Kindly focus on the projector.
Okay, formal letters, they are written for official purposes. And secondly, there are informal letters that we write down to our friends or relatives
Use the
who are
smartboard.
who are known to us. So first of all, to write down the formal letter, we need to put through the format of the letter. It begins with sender's address, where we write down the address of an individual who is writing the letter. In sender's address, we need to mention our own address. Why? Because we are the sender, we are the ones who are writing the letter. After sender's address, we need to leave a single line for space and we need to continue with the date, where we need to mention the date of that particular day when we are writing down the letter. After date, again we need to leave a line and we need to mention the receiver's address, where we will write down the address of the person for whom the letter is meant, that is for whom we are to whom the letter is being addressed.
Area is covered with junior wing. Class 6. Room for class 6.
कोई बात नहीं।
This area covered all the junior wing. Now let's move to the activity room. This is our activity room. Gymming session of the kids. It helps to increase their immunity power. And these are the various teaching aids, helps to increase the motor skill of the students. The children are enjoying in this room very well. Now let's move to our sports room. All indoor games are available in this room. And stock register is also properly pre-maintained. boys' washroom, separated from girls' washroom. Now let's move to our library. All the books are kept in the almirah in proper manner. It helps to increase the reading skill of the student. It is 1800 square feet meter area in library. This is the bookshelf. Books are properly maintained. Mr. Deepak is our library teacher.
Reading section.
This is the reading section for junior kids. They enjoy the stories, books. It helps to improve their reading skills. And this section for senior classes. The library is under CCTV. Fire extinguisher is also there. Stock register is also pre-maintained.
Accession register. What is it? Accession register. Accession register and issue register.
Issue register. This is the fire pipe. Now move to the girls' washroom.
Drinking water for boys.
This is the drinking area for boys.